Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to follow and gain followers on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search for everything that you need, of course. In the top right corner, we have the sell now, your messages, your first likes, your and your profile, where do you see your profile, selling hub, purchases, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and follow and gain followers on Depop. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So for following others, you can look for sellers who offer items similar to yours, follow them on their followers, and as one of their followers, then you can of course like and comment and post from other users. This increases your visibility and encourages others to check out your profile. You can search for and follow hashtags related to your items. This helps you find and connect with users with your shared interests. Of course, you can gain followers. So if you for gaining followers, ensure your photos are clear and well lit. Use detailed descriptions and relevant hashtags to make your items easily searchable. Keep your shop active by regularly posting new items, refresh your listings by updating descriptions or photos to keep them at the top of the search results. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.